Your salary increased, but somehow your money still disappears. At the end of every month, you look at your bank account and think, where did my money go? If this sounds familiar, don't worry. You are not bad with money. You were just never taught how money actually works. In this video, I will explain basic financial principles for beginners in a simple and practical way, so you can finally take control of your money, starting today. Most people believe their financial problem is low income, but in reality, the biggest problem is no system. Money comes in, money goes out, and whatever is left, we just hope it's enough. Without a system, even a high salary will disappear. With a system, even a small income can grow. Financial stress is not about intelligence, it's about habits. Here is something nobody warns you about: lifestyle inflation. When your salary goes up, your lifestyle quietly follows. Examples: better coffee, more food delivery, more subscriptions, more small rewards. Individually, they seem harmless. Together, they drain your income. This is why many people earn more but feel poorer. If you are a beginner, you need a simple structure. This is where the 50-30-20 rule comes in. Explanation: 50% for needs, rent, food, transportation, utilities. 30% for wants, entertainment, shopping, eating out. 20% for your future, savings, emergency fund, investments. This rule is not about perfection, it's about direction. If 20% feels impossible, start with 5% or 10%. Progress is more important than speed. One powerful mindset shift: pay yourself first. Most people save what's left. Successful people save first and live on the rest. Automate your savings if possible. Remove emotions from the process. Discipline beats motivation every time. Before investing, before chasing returns, you need an emergency fund. An emergency fund is not for getting rich. It is for survival. Basics: 3 to 6 months of expenses, easy to access, separate from daily spending. Without it, one unexpected problem can destroy years of progress. We live in a digital age. Use technology wisely. Examples: expense tracking apps, digital banks with real-time reports, automatic reminders. Technology makes tracking easier, but discipline still comes from you. Tools don't change behavior, awareness does. Real financial stability is boring, and that's a good thing. It's built on small decisions, repeated daily. Not chasing trends, not comparing lifestyles, not trying to look rich. Wealth grows quietly. Debt grows loudly. Remember this: if your salary increases without a system, the result will stay the same. Start small, be consistent, and give your money a purpose. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who always says, "My money disappears every month."